Hi everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm bringing to you a video of how I do my nails at home. Since we are all on quarantine, we all should keep it safe and be at home and do our nails at home. So I'm going to show you how I use my acrylic to press on the nails. By doing this, my nails usually last me for 1 to 2 weeks. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So right now what I'm doing is I'm wiping off my old nail polish, making sure that there's nothing on my nails, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and file my nails, and then I'm gonna do my cuticles, make sure that my nails is well prepped for the acrylic. So I got the acrylic powder and acrylic solution at CVS. I wanted to go to Walmart, but CVS was much closer, and I was feeling very lazy, so I couldn't go to CVS. And I'm also using my nail primer. I have had this nail primer for quite some time. I bought it at Amazon. So yeah, and I also got the case nails at CVS. I guess it was $10. It wasn't exactly $10. It was like nine something. So I would say $10 at least. I made sure to try on the nails and get it ready, so as soon as I put my solution on my nails, it will be much easier. So if you do that, that is gonna be quicker. But if you don't and you put on the solution, you put the solution on your nails and you try to look for the right size, you're gonna be doomed. So yes, just a reminder. So to start off, I take my brush and dip it in the solution, the acrylic solution, and I pick a little bit of the powder. I put it on my nails. I make sure that it's all over my nails, but I don't take too much of the acrylic powder because I don't want too much excess on the nails, the artificial nails. So as soon as I do that, I press on the nails and make sure that all the excess from the nails is from the acrylic solution is taken off. So I'm gonna do the same process to all of my nails, so just keep watching. I made sure to file the tip of the nails because if you don't do that, it gets super sharp. So yes, I have kids and I wasn't ready to scratch anybody with my super sharp nails, so I made sure to file it down and made it smooth for my liking. So guys, after I was done, I used my shea butter and I made sure I used it to prep my cuticle area. So guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification button, and also thumbs up to this video for more videos like this. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.